Long-tailed macaques move through the space with complete confidence. They jump across paths, climb statues, and pass directly through temple courtyards. Clothing, glasses, and food attract instant attention. The animals are alert and fast, reading human behavior better than most people expect. What stands out is the complete acceptance of this wild energy within a sacred space. Locals and staff do not intervene unless necessary. This is understood as shared territory. Far from being trained performers, these animals live as wild inhabitants among the active temples. Rituals continue while animals move freely through them,